In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit text in Weebly quickly and easily, all in under 5 minutes. If you're new to Weebly or maybe just looking to polish your site, stay tuned. Weebly offers a simple interface that allows you to make changes to your website fast. Let's jump right into it. First, you'll want to head over to Weebly's website. Simply type in the URL or search for Weebly in your favorite browser and you'll land on their homepage. Weebly is known for being user-friendly, which makes it an excellent choice for building websites, whether it be a personal blog or an online store. Once you're on the homepage, it's time to log into your account. Hit the login button and enter your email and password. If you don't have an account yet, you can quickly create one by following the sign up process. For existing users, make sure your credentials are handy. The login process is straightforward. If you're already registered with Weebly through Square, you can use your Square account to access your Weebly dashboard seamlessly. After logging in, you'll be met with your Weebly dashboard. Look for the option that says Edit Site. This is typically located on your site's home panel. Clicking on this will open the site editor, a space where all the magic happens and where you can visually manipulate your website. In the site editor, navigate to the text element you wish to modify. This could be a headline, a paragraph, or any other text on your page. Just click directly on the text you want to change. You'll know that your text is ready to be edited when a box appears around it, indicating it's selected. Here's where you get to have some fun. A text editing bar will appear when you click on your text. In this bar, you'll have various options to format your text, such as changing the font size, color, or even the text's alignment. Feel free to experiment with these tools to see how they affect your text and choose what best fits your website's design. Once you're happy with your edits, it's crucial to save your work. Do this by clicking on the Publish button. This step ensures that all your changes are live on your site, sharing your updated content with the world. Publishing can take a few moments, so be patient while Weebly processes your updates. And that's it! With just a few clicks, you've successfully edited text on your Weebly site. Whether you're tweaking a few words or overhauling your content, Weebly makes it a breeze. Thanks for watching and happy